Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and quick way to add a university to your page on the Facebook app using your PC, especially with the latest update. Whether you're a student, an alumnus, or just want to showcase your academic background, this guide will help you update your profile easily. First, open your Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your personal Facebook page, where you can edit your information. Next, scroll down a little bit and find the About section on your page. Click on it to open the detailed information about yourself. This section holds everything from your contact info to your education and work experience. Now, in the About section, look for the tab labeled Work and Education. Click on that to view the details you've previously saved or to add new academic or professional information. Here's where you add your university. You'll see an option that says Add a University. Click on this, and a form will pop up asking for some details. Fill in the required fields with your university's name, the degree you're pursuing or have completed, your field of study and the years you attended. Be as accurate as possible to keep your profile trustworthy and professional. After filling out all the details, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the form. This will update your profile and display your university information for your friends and connections to see. That's it. Adding a university to your Facebook page on your PC is now easier than ever with this new update. Keeping your profile up to date helps you stay connected and share your achievements with your social network. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Facebook profile.